My lovely students, welcome to Mathological. Let us start discussion on the second decision making set from ZAT 2024. So read all the questions, try to solve it yourself and then watch the solutions. In Symbolis, an upcoming medium-sized IT services organization, only 1% of the employees were awarded an annual performance bonus. Only 1% of the employees have been awarded an annual performance bonus. This annual performance bonus was decided by a committee formed of different functional heads. When Ms. Nalini Kattakayam received the annual bonus for the first time in her 5 years at Symbolis, so basically Ms. Nalini received the annual bonus for the first time in her 5 years at Symbolis. Ms. Shalini Sampath, a colleague with 7 years of tenure at Symbolis, told Nalini that this annual bonus was less a reflection of Nalini's performance and more a recognition of those who have fostered a strong rapport with the powers that be. Annual bonus is less a reflection of performance and more a recognition of those who have fostered a strong rapport with the powers that be. Like with the top brass, the persons who have rapport, they are recognized by this bonus. As such, this is what she is trying to say. So between performance and favoritism, performance versus favoritism, Shalini is saying favoritism works in their favor. Okay. Incidentally, Shalini had never received any performance bonus in her tenure in the company. Shalini's comments deeply hurt Nalini. Why? Because especially since she had always considered Shalini to be a close friend. 3 Idiots वाला डायलॉग सुना है ना कि जब दोस्त फेल होता है तो दुख होता है, बट जब दोस्त फर्स्ट आता है तो और भी ज़्यादा दुख होता है. तो प्रॉब्ली वैसा कुछ सिनेरियो है. सो बेसिकली Shalini's comments deeply hurt Nalini. Nalini felt like declining the bonus given her respect for and relationship with Shalini. So first question, कंसर्न क्या है यहाँ पे? इशू है परफॉर्मेंस वर्सेस फेवरेटिज्म. ठीक है. Nalini thought that she deserved the bonus, obviously, because that bonus is annual performance bonus. So this should be connected with performance. But Shalini is claiming, Shalini is criticizing that this bonus is less a reflection of the performance and more a recognition of those who have fostered a strong rapport with the powers that be. So now Nalini is thinking about declining the bonus. And question is, which of the following reasons, if true, will best dissuade Nalini from declining the bonus? Again, word is dissuade. इनके persuade for not taking an action. ठीक है. Persuasion for not taking an action, यानी कि वो अपना बोनस डिक्लाइन नहीं करे. इसके लिए बेस्ट कौन सा स्टेटमेंट हमारा काम करेगा? बेस्ट ऑप्शन दैट सपोर्ट्स दैट नलिनी शुड नॉट डिक्लाइन द बोनस. ठीक है. बेस्ट डिसुएड्स नलिनी फ्रॉम डिक्लाइन द बोनस, दैट नलिनी शुड एक्सेप्ट द बोनस. ऐसा कौन सा स्टेटमेंट होगा? बेस्ट स्टेटमेंट. Statement number 1, Shalini good at heart is known for making insensitive comments. So Shalini is good at heart, but she is known for making insensitive comments. So basically this is like her communication style. She might not be serious about it. She is good at heart, but she might still have made a comment, a critique unnecessarily. So this is more about communication style of Shalini and less about the fact that favoritism is at work in the organization. ठीक है. So more about communication style and does tell less about the actual case of favoritism. तो issue को address कर रहा है ये हमारा first statement and it is saying that Nalini should not be very serious about what Shalini has said. ठीक है. Because maybe she was disgruntled because she had not received the bonus even once in her 7 years tenure, but Nalini has received it. So she just shared it, she just said it out of that disgruntlement, not very serious about it. ठीक है. So we can take this statement on hold. Second one, Shalini is known for confronting her boss whenever they changed deadlines. Known for confronting her boss whenever they changed deadlines. तो जब भी उन्होंने deadline change किया, Shalini has confronted them. So it is telling about Shalini's relationship with her boss. Isn't it so? It is not really connected with the bonus or the issue performance versus favoritism. Is it connected? It's not. So since this is not very relevant, not भी लिखना चाहिए था, not relevant. ठीक है. Not relevant. So we'll definitely mark this as incorrect. Isn't it so? Third one, in the closed group, Nalini is the first person to receive the bonus. Now start में ही हमारा question कहता है, only 1% of the employees were awarded an annual performance bonus. So only 1%, 1 out of 100 are awarded the bonus. So there it is quite likely कि in her close group Nalini is the first person. हो सकता है ऐसा, because 100 में से एक कोई मिला है, ठीक है. So that is why it is anyway a rare bonus. सबको नहीं मिलता है. So it is quite possible that Nalini is the first person to receive the bonus. This does not mean that it is because of favoritism. It could be because of the performance, but she is the rare one. She outperformed others, ठीक है. So can be due to comparatively better performance, ठीक है. So we cannot conclude anything from this statement. और क्योंकि conclude नहीं कर सकते तो dissuade नहीं कर सकते नलिनी को from declining the bonus, ठीक है. Fourth one, very few people who are not considered loyal receive the bonus. Very few people who are not considered loyal receive the bonus. यानी कि मोस्टली उन्हीं लोगों को बोनस मिला है which were loyal है, और बहुत कम ऐसे लोग हैं जो कि लॉयल नहीं थे फिर भी उनको बोनस मिल गया. So this statement supports Shalini's comment. Shalini's comment. So this will in fact persuade Nalini to decline the bonus. ये तो उल्टा persuade करेगा, उल्टा काम करेगा, opposite काम करेगा. So definitely this cannot be the answer. Fifth one, Shalini's irreverent comment about her previous boss pushed her out of that team. Again, this is about Shalini and Shalini's relationship with her previous boss. ठीक है, नॉट एक्जैक्टली अबाउट द इशू एट हैंड, परफॉर्मेंस वर्सेस फेवरेटिज्म. तो क्योंकि इशू के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहा है तो फिफ्थ इज ऑल्सो निगेटेड. तो बेसिकली हमारे पास स्टेटमेंट बचा 1 और थोड़ा बहुत थर्ड, ठीक है. फर्स्ट कह रहा है शालिनी गुड एट हार्ट बट इज नोन फॉर मेकिंग इनसेंसिटिव कमेंट्स. सो इतना सीरियसली उसको लेने का जरूरत नहीं है, तो शुड नॉट बी टेकन मच सीरियसली बिकॉज दिस इज मोर अबाउट कम्युनिकेशन स्टाइल ऑफ शालिनी देन अबाउट द एक्चुअल इशू. थर्ड वन, इन हर क्लोज ग्रुप नलिनी इज द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू रिसीव द बोनस, ठीक है. तो फर्स्ट पर्सन टू रिसीव द बोनस इज वेरी न्यूट्रल स्टेटमेंट. It could be because of performance, it could be because of favoritism, but we do not know about which. ठीक है. So this does not mean that Nalini should decline the bonus or should not decline the bonus. ठीक है. So very balanced, but first statement कह रहा है कि Shalini might have made just an insensitive comment, should not be taken seriously. तो first should be the best answer among the given answers, given options. Okay. क्लियर है. फर्स्ट इज फार बेटर देन द थर्ड वन. तो सबसे पहला काम हमारा क्वेश्चन में क्या होगा, टू रिमूव दोज आंसर ऑप्शंस जो कि डेफिनेटली इनकरेक्ट है, और फिर लास्ट में हमारे पास 2 ऑप्शंस बचेंगे या किसी केस में 3 बचेंगे, उनमें से हमें एलिमिनेट करके वन आंसर को चूज करना पड़ेगा विच इज बेस्ट अमंग द अप्रोप्रिएट अमंग द गिवन वंस. ओके, तो इन दिस केस ऑप्शन ए, ऑप्शन 1 इज द करेक्ट आंसर. सेकंड क्वेश्चन, second one. Okay, so second question is saying, since receiving the performance bonus, Nalini noticed a change in how her teammates behaved with her. Now that she has received the performance bonus, Nalini is noticing a change in how her teammates behaved with her. They appeared indifferent towards her. Although there were no major issues, Nalini could not help but sense that her teammates began to perceive her as having a closer relationship with the top brass. Following her recent accomplishment, Nalini assumed that her teammates might be influenced by Shalini. Now this is an assumption. ठीक है, this is not a fact, this is assumption. ऐसा हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है, that her teammates might be influenced by Shalini. Consequently, they seem to be avoiding informal interactions. So they are also avoiding informal interactions. So formally they are indifferent, informally they are avoiding any kind of interactions. Question is saying, as Nalini had to rely on the support of her teammates, ठीक है, ऑफ कोर्स टीममेट्स का सपोर्ट चाहिए होगा टू अकॉम्प्लिश एनी प्रोजेक्ट. तो व्हाट कुड नलिनी बेस्ट डू टू नॉर्मलाइज हर रिलेशनशिप विद देम? व्हाट कुड नलिनी बेस्ट डू टू नॉर्मलाइज द रिलेशनशिप विद देम? ओके, सो यहां पे कंसर्न क्या क्या है हमारे फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन? फर्स्ट इज indifference of teammates, and second is avoiding informal interactions. Avoiding informal interactions. In a workplace, to have good relationship between the teammates, we need informal interactions as well. They also play a role. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास कौन सा ऑप्शन बेस्ट होगा which will normalize our relationship with them? First one, do nothing in the hope that things will normalize in time. कुछ भी नहीं करो. तो कुछ भी नहीं करना तो कभी भी बेस्ट चॉइस नहीं हो सकता, because if there is a problem, we must address that problem as much as possible. ठीक है, तो first one, do nothing in the hope, so those hopes don't work. If you are doing nothing, then hopes का कोई मतलब नहीं है. ठीक है, एक्शन भी तो लेना पड़ेगा. So no action, inaction won't solve the problem. Definitely incorrect है. ठीक है, कोई एक्शन नहीं लोगे, ऑलरेडी देयर इज इंडिफरेंस, तो इंडिफरेंस और बढ़ता जाएगा, तो दिस इज अ नेगेटिव सॉल्यूशन, डेफिनेटली वोंट वर्क। ऑप्शन 1 विल नॉट बी द आंसर। क्लियर है? जो भी इशू एट हैंड है उसको एड्रेस करना पड़ेगा, एड्रेस नहीं करोगे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बढ़ता जाएगा और बड़ा हो जाएगा और प्रॉब्लमेटिक हो जाएगा। सेकंड वन, कॉन्फ्रंट शालिनी एंड आस्क हर टू स्टॉप स्प्रेडिंग rumors. Okay, no confrontation of Shalini and asking her to stop spreading rumors, will it work? Because Nalini has assumed that her teammates might be influenced by Shalini. She has no factual idea of this. है में ऐसा, this might be possible or might not be possible. So we are not sure whether Shalini is the reason behind this indifference. We are not sure. So that is why confrontation of Shalini won't work. This is not the right solution. This might even aggravate the issue, might even aggravate the conflict. ठीक है. थर्ड वन, इन्वाइट हर टीममेट्स फॉर डिनर ऑन अ वीकेंड. ठीक है, अभी फॉर टाइम बीइंग इसको होल्ड पे रखते हैं, सेकंड वन तो आंसर नहीं है फॉर श्योर, थर्ड को होल्ड पे रखते हैं. इन्वाइटिंग हर टीममेट्स फॉर डिनर ऑन अ वीकेंड. ठीक है, डिनर पे बुलाओगे, उनके साथ अपना फीलिंग शेयर करोगे, उनकी सुनोगे, अपनी सुनाओगे, एड्रेस करोगे इशू को, तो पॉसिबल हो सकता है. फोर्थ वन, स्टार्ट सेइंग नेगेटिव थिंग्स अबाउट देयर बॉसेस टू हर टीममेट्स. अब नेगेटिव थिंग्स करना शुरू करोगे, नेगेटिव एनवायरमेंट ऑलरेडी है वहां पे, इंडिफरेंस है, सो और फर्दर नेगेटिव एनवायरमेंट क्रिएट होगा. क्या इससे बेनिफिट मिलेगा? विल इट बेनिफिट? हाँ, तुम कह सकते हो कि टीममेट्स बिगन टू परसीव हर एज हैविंग अ क्लोज रिलेशनशिप विद द टॉप ब्रास. तो क्रिटिसिज्म करके क्या होगा उससे? हाँ, उनको ये लग सकता है कि नहीं है तुम्हारा क्लोज रिलेशनशिप, बट विल इट हेल्प यू नॉर्मलाइज योर रिलेशनशिप विद देम? नो, इट वॉन्ट. ठीक है, बिकॉज दिस इज अ नेगेटिव सॉल्यूशन, नेगेटिव अप्रोच. ठीक है, विल क्रिएट अ टॉक्सिक एनवायरमेंट एज सच, और ना भी टॉक्सिक एनवायरमेंट हो तो नेगेटिव अप्रोच है एज सच. दिस वोंट हेल्प हर नॉर्मलाइज हर रिलेशनशिप विद देम. ठीक है, तो फोर्थ वन डेफिनेटली नॉट द आंसर. फिफ्थ वन, टॉक टू हर टीममेट्स रिगार्डिंग देयर इनडिफरेंस टुवर्ड्स हर. फिफ्थ इज टॉकिंग टू हर टीममेट्स. सो बेसिकली दिस इज ओपन कम्युनिकेशन चैनल विद देम इफ पॉसिबल, एंड डायरेक्ट है, डायरेक्टली उनसे पूछना. शेयर हर, शी विल बी शेयरिंग हर फीलिंग्स, आस्किंग देम what are their issues and addressing those issues. ठीक है, तो directly addressing the conflict or the issue. So between 3 and 5 हमें चूज करना है, बाकी ऑप्शंस तो निगेट हो गए. 3 इज इन्वाइटिंग हर टीममेट्स फॉर डिनर ऑन अ वीकेंड. नाउ डिनर क्या है? डिनर के लिए वीकेंड पे इन्वाइट कर रहे हैं, बट दे सीम टू बी अवॉइडिंग इनफॉर्मल इंटरैक्शंस. So we are not sure whether they will come on dinner or not. ठीक है, दे कैन ऑल्सो डिनाई फॉर द डिनर, या तब बोल दिया कि ठीक है आ जाएंगे, बाद में नहीं आए, बिकॉज दैट इज क्वाइट पॉसिबल, बिकॉज दे आर अवॉइडिंग इनफॉर्मल इंटरेक्शन. सो दिस थर्ड स्टेप माइट नॉट वर्क एज सच, बिकॉज दे आर अवॉइडिंग दोज इनफॉर्मल इंटरेक्शंस. बट टॉकिंग टू टीममेट्स इज डायरेक्ट, और ये फॉर्मल है, फॉर्मल इंटरेक्शन है, डायरेक्ट है, ओपन कम्युनिकेशन है. तुम अपनी बातें कहो, वो अपनी बातें कहें, दोनों एक दूसरे से बातें शेयर करो, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट को रिड्रेस करो, रिड्रेस द इशू एंड सॉल्व इट. So fifth is best option among the given ones to redress the issue, to normalize her relationship with them. So fifth should be the answer. Okay, clear है? Next question. A significant project recently arrived at Symbiolis and Nalini was chosen to spearhead it. ठीक है, Nalini was chosen to spearhead it. Fine. She was given the autonomy to create her own team to collaborate. Given the autonomy to create her own team to collaborate and drive this project to success. Nalini wanted to build a team where each of the team members worked with great camaraderie. As Shalini had previous experience of working with the client, Nalini offered her to join the team. Nalini offered Shalini to join the team. However, Shalini expressed her willingness to work on the project only on the condition that she would be appointed as the team lead. Now, Shalini का condition क्या है? That she must be appointed as the team lead. Nalini was aware that the client was very difficult to work. So this is also the concern. The client is very difficult to work with. And of the 3 previous projects with the client, only one, whereas Shalini was a team member, was successfully completed. तो क्या क्या concern आया हमारे? Shalini has been given a significant project. Nalini has been chosen to spearhead a significant project that arrived recently, and she was given the autonomy to create her own team. तो पूरा power किसके पास है? Nalini के पास है. Nalini wanted to build a team with members with great camaraderie. शालिनी के पास प्रीवियस एक्सपीरियंस है क्लाइंट के साथ काम करने का. क्लाइंट इज डिफिकल्ट टू वर्क विद, and out of the 3 projects with the client, only one where Shalini was a team member was successfully completed. Now this Shalini was a team member, not the team leader in that project. So the question is, what should be the best course of action for Nalini regarding the inclusion of Shalini in the team? Best course of action regarding inclusion of Shalini in the team. First one, form a team without Shalini. तो exclusion की बात होगी. Without Shalini and inform her boss about Shalini's demand. तो बॉस को इन्फॉर्म करने की क्या जरूरत है? हमारा कंसर्न क्या है? वी नीड बेस्ट कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन फॉर नलिनी रिगार्डिंग इंक्लूजन ऑफ शालिनी इन द टीम. और पूरी ऑटोनॉमी किसके पास है टीम के लिए? पूरी ऑटोनॉमी है नलिनी के पास में. नाउ फॉर्मिंग अ टीम विदाउट शालिनी, शी कैन डू दैट एंड इन्फॉर्म हर बॉस विदाउट शालिनीज डिमांड. क्या इस पार्ट का कोई रेलेवेंस है? कोई जरूरत है ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं? तो पूरा का पूरा ऑटोनॉमी है नलिनी के पास में कि उसको अपनी टीम में किसको रखना है, किसको नहीं रखना है. तो शी कैन मेक अ टीम विदाउट शालिनी और विद शालिनी, बिकॉज हमारा कंसर्न ये भी है कि क्लाइंट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू वर्क विद एंड शालिनी माइट हेल्प there because Shalini is the only one with experience with that client. So it would be better if she can communicate with Shalini about that and somehow redress करके issue उसको अपनी टीम में मिला सके, टीम मेंबर बना सके. Isn't it so? The first one is not addressing the issue as such. Also the second half of the first part, informing the boss, is completely irrelevant, not needed. The first one will not be the answer. Second one, asking Shalini to consider as this project can be important to both of them. Now she is asking Shalini to reconsider. Again direct approach. Shalini को reconsider करने का बोलो कि think about it, ठीक है, and this project is important, can be important for both of us, so we can work together and make it a success. And Nalini can also share with Shalini that I cannot make it successful without you because you have the experience, right experience, and I don't have that, but I will also be adding things there. ठीक है, so we can together make this project a success and hence that project will be important for both of us. Okay, so second is definitely a option that can be chosen. Third one, tell her boss that Shalini should lead the team as she has worked with the client before. Now here she is telling her boss that Shalini should lead the team as she has worked with the client before. Now does Nalini need the boss to decide that? We already know that she has been given the autonomy. So Nalini has the autonomy. जो डिसाइड करना है Nalini can decide. She doesn't need her boss to decide about leading the team कि शालिनी को लीड करना है कि नहीं करना है. तो डेफिनेटली थर्ड वन इज नॉट द अप्रोप्रिएट आंसर. She can decide. There is no need for involving her boss. Okay. Fourth one, complained about Shalini's attitude to the HR manager. हमारा कंसर्न क्या है? रिगार्डिंग इंक्लूजन ऑफ शालिनी. हमारा कंसर्न और कुछ नहीं है. तो HR मैनेजर से क्यों कंप्लेंट करना है? आउट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट है, इररेलेवेंट है, तो कैन बी द आंसर. फिफ्थ वन, रिक्वेस्ट हर बॉस टू ऑर्डर शालिनी टू ज्वाइन द टीम. अगेन रिक्वेस्टिंग हर बॉस टू ऑर्डर शालिनी टू ज्वाइन द टीम. नाउ व्हाई शुड शी डू दैट? ठीक है, और क्या ये चीज ऐसे काम करेगी? विल इट हेल्प हर? So definitely option 5 is also not the answer that we desire. Isn't it so? ठीक है, because it is not addressing the issue at hand, the concern or Shalini's desire to lead. भाई शालिनी का डिजायर क्या है? लीड करने का है. वो ये नहीं कह रही है कि मुझे ज्वाइन नहीं करना टीम को. She is ready to join the team, but she wants to be the team lead as well. So this issue is not addressing the core issue. Not addressing the core issue. And core issue is that Shalini wants to be a team lead. She is of course ready to join the team. So definitely between 2 and 5, 2 is the more appropriate answer, because here you are asking Shalini to, Nalini is asking Shalini to reconsider as this project can be important. And reconsider that she should join the team without being the team lead, because she can still be the important member. ठीक है, तो option 2 is more appropriate and best among the given options. क्या ये clear है? ठीक है, option 2 will be the best appropriate. So these are all the questions in this set, and मेक श्योर टू कमेंट अबाउट द सेट कि सारे के सारे क्वेश्चंस क्लियर हुए नहीं हुए और कैसा लगा तुम्हें सॉल्यूशंस. और किसी क्वेश्चन में कहीं डाउट है तो मेक श्योर टू कमेंट अबाउट दैट एज वेल. गिव अ फीडबैक एंड इफ यू लाइक द सेशन देन मेक श्योर दैट द लाइक बटन एज वेल. दैट इज ऑल अबाउट दिस सेट. ओके, ठीक है, तो इतना ही रखते हैं सेशन. ओके, बाय बाय, टेक केयर, कीप लर्निंग.